Come on, baby. Nice.
Yes!
Come on, Zach.
Come on.
No!
Hit him with the fingernails.
Burn for the boys.
You know, like, trying to do a funny thing? I feel like that's what happened to me when I first got these shoes. Now my toes are just permanently, like, curled.
And then right foot start hold and then right hand pinch.
That's Will's marathon sticker.
Will
Will ran a half marathon.
Will did a halfie. Just warm up.
This is warm for climbing.
Why do you think I'm so warm? Come on, Nick.
Come on, Nick.
Nick, let's go, baby. Yeah, Nick, this is fucking raw, baby.
Get
it, baby.
He loves it.
Come on.
Get it.
Get
Hit it.
Come on. Come on, you got it.
Alright, get me in there. Try to get
So scary.
Try to get off that pocket as soon as possible because it's such a shithole.
Dude, I love that pocket. I like it a lot.
Get a bit of me eating this.
I might go left hand in that.
Fogged up the lens, dude. Tell your boyfriend dead and die. Alright, YouTube. This is a V2. What's up, guys? DJ Droompaloompa here, back with another vlog. We're climbing out at Horseshoe Canyon Ranch. This is a problem that was sent earlier by Zach. It's a V2. I started it. There's no pads here. I'd do it, but there's no pads, so I can't do it right now.
Oh, damn.
It's a 2 though, and you start here, and it's gross. And you go over here, do a little heel hook beta.
This is a kill streak right here.
Boom, 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 boom. Let me show you the sketchy ass rope that you have to use to descend this fucking godforsaken rock. You have to use this shit. This fucking rope. Jesus Christ, this rock's so slick. It's just unholy. But yeah, basically you're supposed to just kind of like hang on it like so. Anyway, I can't hang on that with one hand. Yeah, but we're out here in Horseshoe. And it's fucking beautiful out here. Rocks everywhere. It's a climber's paradise. It is a climber's paradise. What's up, YouTube? Brad, say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, guys? It's me, Paxton.
You say what's up, YouTube.
Like
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brad.
Yeah. Where we at, Brad? What's going on?
We out here watching some stinky boys boulder.
Stinky, some stinkers.
He's a real stinker.
This guy right here is real stinky.
How you doing? I shit my pants earlier.
This guy takes a cake.
Paxton, not again.
I'm ready to go. Like, right, dog. We're all ready to go.
Oh, sorry, guys. You know, I was holding everybody up.
Yeah, you are. So
Yeah.
kind of doing that.
What's the beta you're looking at, Nick?
Where are your feet right? Are your feet
Dude, we
right
got a
here?
second GoPro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right hand up, and then literally I'm gonna cast on in.
Your feet are here?
I think I have. Yeah, my feet are there.
So this is what's going on, guys. I wish I could get a better view for you, but unfortunately this is the best we got right now.
Which hip?
This is kind of what we're working with. I know it's a little shaky. It's a bit cold out here.
It's okay.
Sorry, Nick.
I just wish there was a better view that I could get, but come on, Zach. Zach, this problem just fucked your wife.
Oh, fuck it back.
My wife.
He's actually like, he's into this problem now, bro.
Shit, dude.
Cut the tape.
I'm gassed.
Confirm Zach's cut the tape.
Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, wait, that
Bro.
you're mad, that actually feels good.
Shit, dog.
Nick's a bad man.
You feeling it?
Oh, shit. Devin already need to FaceTime me. Send this one quick and I gotta FaceTime him back.
He's a bit late.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys saw Horseshoe?
Nice, Nick. Come on.
Get it, boy. Nick.
Come on.
Get it, boy. Yeah, Nick.
Get it, boy.
Come on, man. You're looking good.
Oh, that hurts. Look,
I thought you were going for the new beta.
that is my new beta.
I thought the new beta was this. Yo.
What?
Shit.
Hey, are you headed down here?
This in like the late summer.
Yeah, we're actually gonna.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Word. You're being filmed on a GoPro right now.
What's up, Evan?
So I can send you like a little, like that's good. Oh shit. I can send you a little bit of like directions to get to the campsite. But basically you get to
there, you turn right at the general store, and then you turn right once you get to the general store.
Yeah.
All right, then you turn right.
So you basically turn left.
Okay, so what you do is you turn right at the general store, and then you turn right again, and then you keep going
Yeah.
all the way to the end of the road.
And I'll text that to you.
Show cock.
And balls.
What?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, Paxton. I know my keys and stuff. God, that fucking guy, I swear to God, I'm about to say
Yeah, you
something.
can sleep in your car.
I'm gonna say it.
Cool.
Subscribe below.
Subscribe below. Bye, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.